And if you don't have a visor, you always put this back on. You want, when you sharpen it, you want to sharpen on this side, the angle that's facing down. See how it's rolling? The difference, you want a little gloss like that, your finger, where it's almost can cut you. Also recommend a little bit lifting grease on the bolt. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen your lawnmower blades here, riding lawnmower here. This one's a 46-inch, guys. A screwdriver and a wrench here. This is a 5/8, and I got a flathead here. And I'm gonna put it right in here, guys. And you want to put in a thicker area. Let me show you here. I'm gonna put the screwdriver right here, guys. I'm gonna put this here, and you might need a little leverage here. And I got this bar. That's leverage. It's gonna loosen it. Because when you sharpen these blades, guys, you can't sharpen this side. Why? Because you're probably asking, why do you need to take the blades off? Because you cannot sharpen on this side. You gotta sharpen the side that's actually needs sharpened, because you gotta leave this edge alone. If you do sharpen the edge, you're gonna ruin the blades. It's not gonna cut as well. So I got a screwdriver here, and again, you wanna put where it's got a strong bridge, because if you don't, it's too weak, it might damage it. Oh, there it goes. See? Oh, like that. And do this slowly, you don't want to strip the bolt, right? Okay. I'm going to just show you guys a demo of one. I'm going to do the other one, the rest. And if you need to learn how to take off your deck, I have a YouTube video also for that. You can do that in like 10 minutes, under 10 minutes. Okay, that's it, guys. See, comes right off. And voila. And if you don't have a visor, you always put this back on and sharpen it this way. So I'll show you here. Okay. You want to clean this up too. You're at it inside of it. But what you do again, like I mentioned a little bit ago, you don't have a visor, you can put it back on and kind of sharpen it right here. When you sharpen it, guys, you want to sharpen it down this way. Okay, you want to angle a little bit. Okay, and you can use. I'm going to use just an angle grinder, and then you can also use a type of flap. It's like a sander that has a bunch of sanders around it. You can use that. Some people have stated to use that, but I'm going to go ahead and use this grinder, and this is a 27 type 27. So I'm going to use that ass and just sharpen it, guys, and then make sure you wear some eyeglass, safety glasses, and also some earplugs. So I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to get started, guys. Okay. And this is before here. Let me see, you guys can see it before. Now I'm going to show you an after here in a little bit. If you want, when you sharpen it, you want to sharpen on this side, the angle that's facing down, right? So we're going to sharpen this side, guys. Okay. Again, this side facing down. And you don't want to touch this side at all. Okay, when you sharpen it. Then again, you see that? Your screwdriver back in. So we'll move on you. You want to angle a little bit, guys. Angle a little bit. See that? Line up. See how it's slowly You burn the top, that's what you want. Just don't push too hard. Gently. Feel the sharpness. Okay, you guys can see here the difference. You want a little gloss like that, and you want it kind of sharp enough where you run your finger where it almost can cut you, and you want it to be, there's no nicks, there's no, you said it, no nicks, and you want it to be all shiny compared to this side. You see how, look at that, I can run this down, I'll cut my finger, but now if I run it down, I can feel sharpness. Of course, you want to run it slow, but you want to get on the other side, okay? So that's how you do that. Now I'm going to rotate this side. I'm going to do the same thing. Take back apart and put in the right direction, facing up, right? You don't want to have this the blades in the wrong direction. It won't be a good scenery, right? Spray a little bit of lifting grease. Okay. Also recommend a little bit lifting grease on the bolt. Make things a lot smoother next time you need to take it off. You know, when you tighten it, you're gonna have to. You have to tighten it. There you go. Put this in here. The screwdriver, guys, that's leverage again. I'll put where the bridge is the strongest and just tighten it. There it goes. Okay, then we're off to the next one, guys. So a couple things before I end the video, guys. So make sure before you put the deck back on, double check that your blades are in the right direction, facing the right direction. You need to double check once, twice, because if you don't, it's not going to be pretty soon when you start mowing. And then you also want to double check your screws, give it one more good tight, and then you're good to put the deck back on. If you don't know how to put the deck or take off the deck, I do have a content below to show you how to do that. You can do that in like 10 minutes, real easy and simple to do. Until next time, guys, until next DIY, take care, do everything yourself, and save some money. Bye now.